Food Truck Syndicate is a streetwear brand inspired by food, music, culture, and of course, food trucks. The collection is street food-inspired fashion that creates a melting pot of flavor with tasty gear that is fresh, classic, and fashion-driven. The line is comprised of graphic t-shirts, outerwear, and headwear for men and women. We invite you to show your love for all things street food by joining the Food Truck Syndicate. By pledging to our Kickstarter page, you'll be on your way to grabbing up some of the freshest, tastiest styles on the street. So get on board where we're serving up fresh styles daily.